Launching an EV startup or sourcing components for next-gen vehicle, choosing the right EV motor partner. This could be the difference between speed and stall. Let's simplify it. Here is the step-by-step guide to help you to choose the right EV partner. No jargon, no confusion. 1. Know your vehicle, know your mission. First, define your vehicle and its purpose. Is it designed for speed, load, distance, or urban mobility? I am Shahil. I work here at MECWIN Green Proportion. We are building sustainable future. Your use case decide everything. Battery pairing, RPM, torque requirement, motor size, and controller compatibility. Here at MECWIN, we guide you through this procedure even before you place an order. Choose the right motor type. Most of EVs are either BLDC or PMSM. We break it down for you. BLDC is simpler, lower cost, and good for EV bikes and scooters. For PMSM, it is smoother, which has higher efficiency, and it is also ideal for 3 watt. Still confused? We help you to compare with the real performance data. Step 3. Ask for customization. Great brand don't use stock parts. They use custom built parts. Here at MECWIN, we design according to your specification, such as dimension, voltage range, mount type, and also even controller protocols. Don't just rely on spreadsheet. Insist on demos and field testing. Here at MECWIN, we do sample units and integration, so your team can test performance, heat, and with the load capacity. Step 5. Look beyond the motor. Look for a partner. You are not just buying a product, you are choosing a partner for your long-term EV journey. Ask yourself, do they offer integration help, after-sales support, tech consultation when you scale? MECWIN is not a motor supplier. It is co-builder of EV vision. If you're building a future in EVs, start with a partner who is powering it. Whether you are a startup on paper or OEM scaling across the states, MECWIN is ready for you. For any kind of information, please contact to this number and make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel and press the bell icon.